The really terrific aspect of the direct install program was that it allowed us to undertake a massive project at only 30% of the cost. That was tremendous for us as a nonprofit, and not only did it save the obvious immediate install, but in the operations going forward. So it was really a win-win for us and a really great aspect of the program. The color temperature is once again uniform throughout the building. Over the years, we found people ordering different color temperature light bulbs and not even realizing it. They'd get installed and you'd walk down the hall and see a fixture with 2 or 3 different color temperature bulbs, and that just wasn't very appealing. Now everything is uniform and we don't have to worry about buying the right color temperature. I would recommend working with CMC Energy and the direct install program. It really was seamless, but it was also well done. CMC Energy came out, they did a very thorough audit, they worked very carefully with us at the outset and ensured that everything that was ordered was exactly what we needed, nothing more, nothing less. They were very thorough. Anthony was great to work with, and I couldn't be happier.